Margarita's son. Margarita's potentially my best cow. I think I'm gonna name him Tequila. I ain't got none of my stuff here to work him over. And I put some hay out the other day right in front of the pen, so should be fine. I'll work him over here about 2 hours or so. His mom's right there. She's usually pretty weary of me. She's not a crazy cow or nothing, but she's smart. She knows a pen means bad things, potentially. Fire starter. Butane. I don't even know why I'm using this now. Am I going crazy? Sorry about that. Oh, you got my case zip tied. What the Got all my chickens there right beside me. All the old ones, at least. Instructions. Oh boy. I need instructions to work this Coleman. I don't need this dang Coleman. Oh hell. What tequila's like. This sucks. What if you're gonna head down to the bottom of the farm? Poor Tequila is gonna be in for rough time. For outdoor use only. Not today. That's right. A little bit extra room there. I will crack the window. Man, I'm probably showing the fact that I ain't gotta have keys to start my truck. That's gonna suck because somebody around home's gonna steal my truck now. I may have to edit that out of here. I don't know how I do that. Could have put my damn keys in it, but it looked like I had my keys in it. These ain't even my truck keys for here. But just don't pay attention. This is Colorado. I don't really remember my truck being like that. It got to where the keys were sticking. I'm not no genius, man. Like, remove stove from carton. Place stove on a stable horizontal spot. That's where it's at. Not gonna lie. I don't exactly understand how that's gonna work because it ain't even in the damn thing. I guess it is like that. Whoa, okay. Sorry about that, Margarita. Sorry about that. I ain't no do no more. What's up? Lighter igniter. Oh. Oh wow. How cool is that? Interesting. I guess old Mark is gonna stay down here with the poor boy. We gotta put the table up here. There we go. Hell. Can you stay there, please? Got Redmonds. Gotta have Redmonds. Eggs. Ark. Really a clean spot in here. Better. Alright, here we go. Man, she's a little wobbly because we ain't got the correct thing going on here. I think we're gonna roll that side up. Ooh, wait. I didn't really get up early enough to cook my own breakfast today, but I need to start cooking my own breakfast, so instead of eating at Casey's every morning, because it's just too much money. Just too much money. Hey, what are you doing with that water down there? Just chill. Just chill. Don't worry about it. We're gonna butter the hell out of this pan. Sorry, woman, but hey, we got flies in here now. Get out of there. I don't think I'm gonna need any more butter. Poor guy. A bad little habit here. What we got going on? I guess I turned it all the way off on accident. My bad. Just trying to turn you down, girl. You're going a little hot and heavy there. It's gonna rain today, so it probably puts an X on house building, but we'll find something to do. And it's what, November 5th? It's election day, whatever the hell day that is. Alright, you eggaroonies, you about to get messed up in a fight here. I know it. Sheila. Poor little boy. Alright. I'm healthy with my salt normally because I ain't no chicken. I should have brought me a plate. I sure should have. Dang it. Don't call anybody. Oh, baby. Stop. Why do you have to spoil yourself like this? Yeah. I'm gonna eat this breakfast, and I gotta come back, work Julio over, and do what we're gonna do today. Yeehaw.